Hey there, welcome to my channel. I'm Dr. Keta and I help busy and ambitious women lose weight by understanding and supporting the reason why they have gained weight in the first place. This is my obsession because I have been there myself and I know how it affects every aspect of your life. As women, our hormones are constantly fluctuating throughout our menstrual cycles, pregnancy, and menopause. These hormonal fluctuations can cause a range of symptoms, including weight gain. Today, that's exactly what we're going to talk about: hormonal imbalances and weight gain. But the good news is, once you understand the link between hormonal imbalances and weight gain, you can take steps to address it and feel your best. First up, let's talk about thyroid imbalances. Your thyroid gland plays a big role in regulating your metabolism, and if it's not functioning properly, it can lead to weight gain. Some signs of thyroid imbalance include fatigue, hair loss, feeling cold all the time, and weight gain, even with a healthy diet and exercise routine. But don't worry, there are natural ways to support thyroid health, such as eating nutrient-dense foods like leafy greens, healthy fats like avocados, protein-rich foods, and berries. Next, let's chat about insulin resistance. Insulin resistance, or insulin, is a hormone that helps your body use sugar for energy. But when you become resistant to insulin, your body has trouble processing sugar, and it can lead to weight gain. Some signs of insulin resistance include weight gain and around abdomen area specifically, sugar cravings, feeling tired after meals. If left untreated, it can lead to type 2 diabetes. To support healthy insulin, try incorporating more protein, foods that are high in resistant starch like plantains, sweet potatoes, and eating potatoes that are cooked after they have been cooled off, and healthy fats into your meals. Finally, let's dive into estrogen dominance. Estrogen is a hormone that's important for women's health, but when levels get out of balance, it can lead to weight gain. This occurs when there is an excess of estrogen relative to progesterone in the body. Estrogen dominance can cause weight gain, especially in the hips and thighs, as well as other symptoms such as mood swings, bloating, irregular periods, and breast tenderness. To support healthy estrogen levels, try eating more cruciferous vegetables like broccoli and cauliflower, and other foods like flax seeds, incorporating apple cider vinegar, and plenty of citrus fruits. So there you have it, the link between hormonal imbalances and weight gain. By understanding the role that hormones play in your body, you can take steps to support your health and achieve your weight loss goals. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks on weight loss and hormonal health. Thanks for watching. Talk to you soon.